Sorry. Okay, so I bought a one contract there. On the queue, if it goes a little bit lower to 353, I add one more. And yeah, kinda. So I bought a bunch of bars and I left them on the car yesterday. So they all melt down. And then I put on the freezer and I forgot to take them out, and now they're like super hard and frozen. Not frozen, but it's super cold and hard. But yeah, I got back the barbells or barbells brand. This one, I love this brand. Very good macros, and they taste very good. So okay, we have the barbell caramel cashew. We have the chocolate dough. We have the caramel choco, the salted peanut butter caramel. I think I want to try this one. Cookies and cream, all the same brand. And I got a one um birthday cake. I'm gonna go for the salted caramel uh peanut. Let's see, it has 210 calories. That's a little bit high for me. I like it around 100 calories, but let's see. So I couldn't find any dulce de leche protein bar or anything. Okay, so 210 calories, 10 grams of fat, 21 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar, and 16 grams of protein. It's a little bit high on carbs and a little bit low on protein. I like more when it's around 20 grams of protein, but it's not that bad. So it's gonna be this one. Salted caramel, salted peanut caramel. I'm hungry. Yeah, kinda, you can say, but it's not dulce de leche. Okay. This is how it looks. Mm, I have birthday cake on this one. That's a birthday cake flavor. Yeah, I drink creatine before or after training. I don't remember when, if it is before or after. Mm, this one's really good. Kind of tastes like a sneaker, which is weird, but it's very, very good. Look, you can really feel the caramel and the peanuts. Mm, yeah, definitely. I like it. I think you cannot go wrong with this brand. This brand is amazing. I think this is the bar that it has the highest calorie. Yeah, the yeah per serving, but the other one has like 90, 100. It's around 200, 200 and 190. Okay, so far the market is looking good. It's looking great. The Q is consolidating above resistance, previous resistance. Let's see if SPY is gonna do a double top at 422. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I'm done with this. It was very good. Very, very good. I gotta be honest with you guys. I'm only trading this because I wanna close my day at around 3K. If I have 300 gains on each one of these account, I'm closing the day up 3K. That's that's why I trade just one contract. And I'm kind of thinking on selling it just because it's above, it's kind of around 3K. But SPY is still looking bullish. Microsoft is still looking bullish. Same with Apple. SPY, SPY is very strong today. Um, I don't know, Krish, honestly. I don't know. Do you buy Like, do you already lock profits? I don't know. It's up to you. I cannot. What I will do is what I always do. I already lock profits, and it depends when you enter it. I have 12 PAs. 12 PAs, and I have like 12 evaluation accounts that I'm kind of trading off and looking to pass, but I'm doing it like very very slow, and I'm not trading those on the stream. Nice, that's very good. The way to not blow your PAs is go slowly but steady and really read the rules when it comes to PA when you take when you transfer your money to your like bank account, because PAs are different after you get paid. It's different. So the trailing stop move different after you get paid. So read very good um the rules there, because my first PA I transferred my entire account, my entire profits, and I left it with no profits. And I the next day I had literally like no trading stop, and I blew up my first few PAs because of that. Well, Krish, what was your plan before entering that trade? Like that's why you want to see that. So what was your plan before entering AMD? If you enter it today, you should have like know what was your plan before entering. Were you planning to hold for FOMC? Um, are you good with that risk? I haven't even checked AMD. I mean, if you don't take profit on this move, you're just being greedy, honestly. If you enter it on the 100, the perfect entry was around the 100 break and retest, right? If you didn't take profit on this big move to the upside, obviously you're gonna get a pullback here. So if you don't take profit on this move, you're just being greedy. But I don't know how many contracts you have there. Mm, I think being greedy on on and making this play might bite me in the ass. Let's see. Yeah, if you enter it with shares, you should be more than fine. Okay, so Apple's rejecting 172. That I can definitely see a level there, 172. SPY is holding 421, and so far the Q is holding above 353. Nvidia, yeah, definitely very strong. But the entry on Nvidia was 412. That was the entry. But okay, so the trade was in the morning when the market opened, like a few minutes after, that was the trade. Right now, it's literally chasing and just for quick small scalps. I'm not looking like any like big trade right now. It's already like almost 11, almost lunch time. Yeah, now it's like after the big move, you have either a consolidation or a pullback or a change of direction, which is what the market's been doing the past few weeks. The market's been making one move and then completely uh makes a U-turn. Okay, right now these 30-minute candles on both the SPY and the Q are looking ugly. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I feel like I'm over trading. No reason why I should be doing this. So if I get to zero, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out of this position because the 30-minute candle is looking ugly. In fact, I like it more to play the downside than the upside here. Yeah, I got out. I don't like that. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, this 30-minute candle here. Looking ugly. Let's see if it's really gonna close like that and reject here. Yeah, I'm in shorts too with a stop over like today's high. Last trade of the day. And I'm definitely over trading. I shouldn't be doing this. I like this trade. I don't like the one that I took before. And it's a quick scalp. I'm gonna lock profit fast. At least fast for me. For the way that I trade. But I really like this 30-minute candle rejection here. I'm playing the downside on the Q on futures, but you can play QQQ put, so it's up to you. But so far it's looking bullish. I don't know, we'll see. It's looking bullish. Like I like that rejection on the 30-minute candle, but the 5 minutes is still holding. It doesn't want to lose the 9 EMA, which I don't like. But Apple is breaking down. Let's see if it's gonna drag the market down too. But the Q is moving higher and SPY is holding. Let's see. Yeah, I know. I know. This is a bad day for me. I don't like how I'm trading today and yesterday. I don't like how I trade on days like today, like FOMC, important days. I always trade bad. That's why I always say to not trade these days. No, and those are my worst days. No, I made no money yesterday. I lost like $10 yesterday. And I did exactly the same thing. I had a very like a good morning and then I gave back the entire profit. And I'm doing the same stupid thing today. Yeah, $10 down is a good loss. Yeah, definitely. It was like $5, but with fees is like it was like 10. But yeah, last week I made over 20Ks. Last week was over 20K. This week, I don't know. I don't remember how much I made on Monday. Let me check that out. 10:30 was Monday. Mm, no. Wait, what day is it? Today is Wednesday. Oh yeah, Monday was the 30th. I made 4,400 over 4,400 on Monday. Yes, on and yesterday was down like $10, and today is gonna be it's gonna look like I'm gonna be just up like how much? Like 700 maybe. Let's see if it's gonna wick here or if it's gonna hold here. Looks bullish. Nvidia is rejecting 420. Okay, I started to like this rejection here. Started to like this rejection here. But we need the I need the Q to lose 354. Apple is at a support level right now. Okay, I started to like that rejection there. Let's see, we need I need SPY to lose 421 and the Q to lose 354. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. Just go down. Go down for me. But I had to do it because that 30-minute candle rejection on SPY was too good to not enter there. I always trade this pattern here, always. If it is a resistance. Not always, but a lot of times. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna take some profits if I see spike onto VWAP, but I think most of the time you're gonna have kinda the same candle at this one. So I'll be looking to take profits around, yeah, around 420, 420 SPY, and the Q 350, 353. Okay, I'm selling one, two, three. Okay, I sold half there. I'm not gonna lie, I was sweating there. But yeah, this pattern, I've traded that pattern so many times that I'm kind of like I see it and I just go for it. But yeah, most of the time you have like the same candle like this one, like the one before this weak candle. But I could definitely see a SPY or the Q holding VWAP or support. So the VWAP is near this 320, 353 support on the Q, and it's near this 420 support on SPY. So I'm gonna sell a little bit more at VWAP, and then yeah, and then I might just leave one runner. Yeah, on the 30 minute. The bigger the time frame, the better. That pattern. I've played it on the 15, but doesn't work all the time. But I on the 30-minute on the 30-minute chart, every time I see it and I played it, it's been working out. Like it works. You just need to play it on a strong resistance. If it is on a in a downtrend, oh, it's even better. Yeah, I don't use futures charts. I only use the SPY and the Q. Like for me, it makes no sense to watch futures if you're trading options. Like why? I don't see a why. I understand if you only trade futures because you're trading futures. So you must watch ES and NQ, but if you're trading options, I don't see a why. I know it works because it's pretty much the same as the SPY and the Q, it's just different numbers, but it's the same. For scalping, yeah, you need a lower time frame. So I check that pattern on the 30-minute time frame. If you see it on a 1 hour or 4 hour, it works amazing. It works even better. And then yeah, I enter on the 5 minutes charts. I'm thinking on changing that to the 3 minute. Maybe for me it's more difficult futures because it has no gaps and I trade gaps all the time. So I don't for me SPY and the Q are cleaner. Also, in futures I see the support and resistance are too wide. Too wide. They have too many like huge levels. Like on SPY and the Q, you have your levels are it could be like maybe a few cents, but on future it has like a lot of points that you need to watch out. I don't know. It's just like I'm not used to it to watch futures contracts. Um, I don't know. I don't remember how many. I'm not playing here the 25 K account. I'm playing only my PAs, and my PAs are the 100K static and the 50K. I don't have any 25K here because I bought them yesterday or Monday. I don't remember. Monday or yesterday. And those I haven't played on those ones. But you have, let's see. So you have it here. Like you can go and check that. You have it here. How many contracts you can get? You can get 4 minis on the 25K and 40 micros. You have it right here. How many contracts you can play with that account? Yeah, based on I did it here with you guys. I didn't have any level there, and I just moved that resistance there. I just did it like a few minutes ago. Um, I will say I think right now I think the 25K is the best one, honestly, because not to the evaluation accounts. I think the best one is the 100K static. Because you don't really need to think about the trailing stop. It's only 625 your stop loss, and that stop loss doesn't move. That's what I like that one. But after you pass the evaluation account, you have your real accounts. It's tricky with the stop losses on everything after you get paid because the rules are different with the PAs. So with the 25K account, after you pass and you have your PA and you get paid, you only need to leave like $500 on that account so you don't lose it easily. On the 50K and the 100K, you need to leave like 2300,000. No, I'm sorry, 2300. Yeah, $2,300 on that account of your profits just there. So you don't lose the so you don't have to think about the trailing stop. With the 25K, I only need to leave 500. So that's what I'm gonna pass the 25K accounts and work with those one. Obviously, I'm gonna add up to everything that I already have. But yeah, you just gotta be pay attention to the rules. But first, um, I will say you need to be consistent with your trades, with your profits. And if you're consistent and not try to pass every single account you get on the first day, you'll get any. You can get any account, and it will be fine for you. Why do I do multiple accounts? Okay, this is why. I'm holding three micros, right? With 10 accounts. So I'm basically on this profit here with the $200, I'm up 2200, right? So I bought how many micros I had in total? It was seven, six. There were six. Okay, wait. I'm gonna sell a little bit more here. It's right at VWAP, only holding one contract, right? So if I only have one account, I need to buy to make any of these to make this profit. I need to buy six micro. No, I had 60 micros to make this profit, right? So first of all, you cannot get 60 micros on the. Oh yeah, you can get 100 micros on the 50K account. But okay, let's just say I can buy 60 micros. If this trade, when this trade was going against me, like it was close to my stop loss, right? At that time, if I had 6 micro on one account, I probably will blow up that account because it will be, I'll be under like over 2000K in loss in just one account. And that's around the stop loss, the trailing stop. So I'll definitely blow up that account. But if I'm buying six on 10 accounts, it's way far from my trailing stop. So basically, it's less risky. Let's put it more easy. You have one account that the stop you're gonna lose it if it goes under 2k 2000, right? So if you have a 2000 loss, they take out your account. So if you make any of these trades and I'm holding but under 2000, I'll lose that account. But if I'm under 2000 with 10 accounts, that's like 200 on each one, and I will not lose those accounts. And let's make it the other way around. Let's just say I made $100 on each account, right? That $100 on 10 accounts, that's 1K. So you're making $1,000 with less risk. That's why I want to have 20. I want to have 20 PAs. So far, I have 12. Yeah, that's basically it, George. Thank you. It's not by percentage, it's by amount on the evaluation account. Mm, so each account has its own trailing stop or trailing down or whatever it's the name of that. So you have so if you have the static 100, your uh your stop loss is 625 and that doesn't move. But if you have the 25K, it's 1500, but the trailing stop, it move. And with the 50K, you have 2500 trailing stop, but it move also. So it can go higher or lower. It is it's a little bit, it sounds very complicated, but it's not after you really understand how it works. But if you don't want to deal with this, just get the 100K static. 625, that 625 number never move. No, you pay monthly. So I pay $16 per the for the 25K account. I paid um $19 or 20 for the 50K account, and I pay I think 17 for the 100K. Those are the evaluation accounts. Then on the PAs, on the real ones, the ones that I get paid when I make money, I pay you can pay either 105 monthly or 160 one time fee. Real prop funding. So if you don't pay monthly, how what percentage they take from your profit? Yeah, you can get you can get 90% of all your accounts. I bought like 10 accounts. No, not 10. I bought 6. 6 accounts with the 90% off. So the first month is 90% off, and you have the 90% discount, and the rest of the month I think is 80%. This is still very good. One funded 10%, that's good. 10% is very good. Yeah, I just said when you have a PA, it's 105 monthly or 160 a one-time fee. Leverage, yeah. Options are, I'm sorry, futures are like that. That's why if you want to trade with your own money, you need a big account. You're gonna risk a lot of money to learn how to trade futures if you want to trade it with your money. That's why I think prop firms are so good. I'm sorry to hear that, but don't try to force it. Okay, I'm all out. I'm done.